Okay, we learned a lot about phases of life. Now time to put them together. In Master Azerbaijani, we have weekly recap. Let's see those words. We learned Qoca, which is old, elderly. We learned Ortayaşlı, middle-aged, midlife. We learned Cavan for young and youthful. We also learned Yeniyetmə for adolescence, teenager. We had Körpə for baby, infant, and newborn. And we had Gənc, another version of youth, junior. And we had a slang word which had double meaning. Hyena in old hag, old geezer. Okay? How can we be without dark uses? We can't. Your sleep schedule just met Körpə. My playlist is Cavan, but my bedtime is 9 p.m. Nothing derails calm like a Yeniyetmə who discovered sarcasm. My back says Ortayaşlı, but my playlist still says teenager. I move so slowly that the Qoca oak asked if I needed watering. Quiz time? Yes. Which word also means hyena? Drop in the comments below. It doesn't have any letters that you may not have in your keyword, so feel free to type in. Now, make sure to come back tomorrow. We're starting new week with new topic, new words, because remember, if you come in every day, consistency will help you build the fluency. In terms of fluency, if you want to continue building it, I have Master Azerbaijani app built just for you, available in App Store and Google Store, where you can download and study the whole module 1 for free. That will help you build foundations. I also have masterazerbaijani.com, a website where I post blogs on deeper context on grammatical, historical, cultural, and learning tips. Feel free to check it out. Otherwise, see you tomorrow. Cheers.